The Nyotram National Youth Front HNYF Balat Border Circle has raised allegations against the Dangar Domba border area upper primary school in East Khasi Hills, accusing it of misappropriating funds allocated for the midday meal scheme since 2018. The organization has warned of legal action if the issue is not addressed. According to HNYF Southern Circle President Kalangshngay Thongni, findings obtained through an RTI inquiry indicate that the school has not provided meals to students despite receiving government funds for the program. He stated that documents covering the period from 2018 to 2025 revealed no record of meals being served. A site visit conducted by the HNYF members reportedly confirmed the allegations with both teachers and students, asserting that they had never received meals under the scheme. Thongni further highlighted that government funds amounting to rupees 10 lakh had been deposited into the school's managing committee account for the midday meal program. He questioned whether the education department was aware of this financial transaction and called for an immediate inquiry to identify those responsible for the alleged mismanagement. In addition to financial concerns, the HNYF also expressed strong objections to the appointment of a non-local teacher who has been teaching Hindi at the school for several years. The group alleged that the appointment process lacked transparency, citing the absence of a signature on the teacher's joining report as evidence of procedural lapses. The organization also pointed out that the teachers' limited proficiency in English and local languages has posed challenges for students, making it difficult for them to follow lessons. The HNYF has urged upon the authorities to review the recruitment process and take necessary corrective measures.
Southern border area, President Example, baru sekarang lang bagi nailam juga discuss sebagai report kita juga sekarang ini. Itu dia isu yang di report, berkata dia jom ke RTI buat file lembaga office jom Sub-Divisional School Education Officer. I believe that way to come handi po school. Pada time dia school Dangar Domba border Opo Primary School. Ketika school dan urusan coba Snok Dangar East Kasses bahawa Opo Sra siap diplom. Hari ini kalau dia bagi di file nadu menai Januari bagi dia jumpa aku Februari. Kita pertama tiba di persiapan bahwa hari ini RTI dan lain jom solution school education officer Musyabala Panai jumpa. Kata ketika nomor bahwa dan kita apa saya bahwa dilakukan yang semua bukan dia dikit dari presiden juga.
Ngalapun di Cinduna di Poskol. Penkongnya dari Yowo nong kai Hindi. Dapan kita periode ta kumens renante nako office semua kan ai macam pemdan periode ta po office. Ini kan span kawai sare span kawai timbil. Medimin nadu ba pelai bagian ke sarkar nadu ba sedang adu menta kena yo tang sisir ba kin yo kan pam ka medimin ba ai ke sarkar nadu arja katra adu arja apsan nadu menta ila lek berloket postur kena ba tinong kai ba gom ni yo ye. Buat kue ketum ibu jaga joining report jongku Sanjeev Shukla di Badalai mengikai Hindi. Ada bentar kekong ke joining report itu semua dan kata signature. Kani dari joining report itu dari ada bentar kata signature itu kata signature post.
Saya semua banyak lagi juga ASEAN. Nilai bentuknya hari di sekolah, kantor investors di sekolah. Untuk lagi kena sekolah. Pakai keba nilai jomki investors kita air yang ada cuba kata kalau kantornya ada di vitamin nadu pekerjaan nadu soal dia pekerjaan medi hagi school naglan jomki noika kemshum yo amshum yo pada ni kan ini berkunjung ki kena school kempat yo what she said ya medi but on tak tahu what ya ki cook mau kena dapat pencet naglan jomki investors kinoika kemtir menu yado la tu ni ko kata dia boy halagi pet dia construction abang ni yo lo la kalau kot harus pulang tengah satu kali dia bisa kerja menu berhenti ban perkara yang ni bisa berlama nak ada aiba di kena sekolah dari dia di office ni hatu badan bata secretary jong dari managing board jong dari school but auto ta haude but ni teacher hindi teacher no dia panggil apa dia di rantai nagle office franchise company yang di government ta dari way penemo jadi pengirang umum yo panhinai dari school kram di government baru ki noikai ki don lagi di government nama nanti di don sahut di noikai ko baru kata kamu betul pada ini teacher baju sekolah tapi baru kini ibu ibu mereka don ya di comments. Ritang dia ini di jauh dan di comments. Katang dia away kawa ismo kaya ni nilai tinggi mungkin dalam. Bahkan korban latur la apoy yo bau yo bandung kum kuno ina krem ki pakistan. Nila kali la betul ya merepet USDS ko jadi skasius. Haru ko la personalen manila la tum yang dia rejim sekolah menjadi di klub kita Islam di dunia. Tak ada di klub pama di kam dari kam kepala le donbon. Ketika kam kepala le supui kemudian apa kan education department kan kani kahiran hai kam kijam beliau kam boleh jam di sama boleh juga Henry Naglian juga department operation balik itu jadi kungi dalam lima bulan